Hi guys, welcome back to lane&des. I'm sorry I can't do videos next week, but I'm back with a lot more videos this fall. I have a LOL surprise though. They've been away for a long time, and they just came back out again, so I'm gonna open it up. There's this little tiny piece of paper, and it's gonna help me figure out what my doll is. And it stands for shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright. Okay, where did you go? You stay. Either way, it's gonna spit, tinkle, or cry. As I'm unwrapping it, guys, look what's inside the ball.
What are those?
The blind bags.
Here, pull one out for us. All right.
Can I open it, Daddy? Daddy, can I open it? So, I'm going to open up these blind bags. So, let me open them up and we'll see what they are. I got this glittery bottle. Strip yet. I got the other blind bag with these teeny tiny shoes. I'm going to open the top one. I think I can get this.
Another one.
Uh-huh. Oh, inside of this blind bag is my outfit.
Cool.
Okay, now we're gonna open this up and see what's inside. Okay, so I got a handle and this. I don't know what's inside, so let's open it up. It's a cute little necklace. Now let's open up the doll. I wonder who it's gonna be. I got this one. Let's see who she is. First, let me get her all dressed up. Guys, you will not believe who I got. I got Splash Queen. She has a whole bio, so she's an ultra whale.
All right, can you pick that paper up so I can zoom in and show them? All right.
Okay, can you please? So I just filled up her water bottle again, and we're gonna see if she spit, tingles, or cries.
So we squirt the water in her mouth and then we squeeze her head, right? Ah!
Ew!
Oh, she spits.
I can say something. Okay, lane&des, that's all for today's video. I'll see you on the next lane&des. Bye! We got a lot more videos coming. I hope you have a score-tastic day.